uyazikakela because uyazikakela. So phila kujova ngoku. It's not a person you like, you have a life. Your life is finished now because you have a lot of sugar in your body. And you're not a person you have a girlfriend in your life because your life is gone. Don't have a girlfriend, even lot of girlfriend is playing you. Lot of a girlfriend playing you and give money and give you everything you want, but don't give you a pussy. You see that? Now I have a boyfriend, lot of boyfriends, but not quere boyfriends. You have a sugar. Every time if you forget to do your injection, you go to die, Bhuti. And don't forget you are a guy off medication all the time. You see that? How? And yazikakela, you're the guy who's messing for you. Have a kaka, ukaka, ukuzikakela, uzikakela, ukikaka at your work time. You smelling with a kaka, or you're old man, very, very old man. By the time you have drunk, we are kakela, shame. You're not a person to me, when you're a last number. Don't forget yourself. Sisi. You think you know me, you don't know me, Bhuti. You don't know me, you think so, but you know me, you don't know me, Sana. You see me only. I don't give a damn. Come and take your phone. I don't give you your phone. I don't go to you to give your phone. Come and take your phone. You will see me. Who am I?